Drifting on the ocean, sometimes I pass by an island, but there's nothing there for me. I move on as the wind blows, hoping to wash up on that shore, and the sand will hold me. Blue, the water and sky, reflection in my eye, and it's true, so true, that my life.
Vintage fashionistas, and welcome to my channel. In this channel we're going to be talking about fashion, DIY, and a little travel blog that me and my husband are going to be collaborating on. For fashion, I am a professional cosmetologist. I am going to be teaching you guys how to do your makeup, how to dress for professional, for a club night, for anything that you guys might be the occasion. I also do a lot of DIY stuff, and it's really cheap from the Dollar Tree. Some stuff, not all of it, but most of it. And I have some amazing interior home decor that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Also, a little bit of gardening. I do have a green thumb, so I would love to share with you guys what I have created in my lovely home. Travel blog, like I said, my husband is going to be joining us. We're going to be collaborating. It's going to be our 5th year anniversary. This is David.
Hey YouTube, what's going on?
So it's going to be our 5th year anniversary, like I said, and we're going to be going on an amazing adventure to New York and Canada, a week each. So we're going to be vlogging our whole entire adventure, and I hope you guys stay tuned because we have so much fun. We're going to be staying at the most amazing hotel in Canada, right by the falls, so you can see it right outside the window. In New York, we're going to be trying an Airbnb. We'll see how that goes.
For the first time. But it's by Central Park, and it was a really good price. We couldn't pass it up.
Yes.
We're also going to be taking a train ride from New York City up to Canada, which is like 9 hours. We're going to see a bunch of the leaves changing colors. We're going in fall time. But our travel log is basically just our fun adventures that we have together. Some of the places we've already been before is Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Orlando, Florida, Tampa, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Miami, Florida, Vegas, Seattle, Austin, Texas, San Antonio, New Orleans,
Georgia,
Atlanta.
We've been around a lot in the country. Pretty soon we're going to be taking overseas and doing a European excursion. But yeah, this is going to be the beginning of an amazing adventure. I hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe. You can follow me at Creative Genius 1111 on Instagram, and his Instagram account is
DC_Sewell915.
So make sure to follow and subscribe, you guys.
Drifting